How to fix Facebook Messenger not showing active status. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you can find three bars. Click on it. Then click on the settings icon. Navigate to the option of active status. Now enable for this option of so when you are active. Also enable for this option so when you are active together. Once you toggle on for these options, your problem will be fixed. Still you are encountering the issue, then what you can do is head back, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Messenger. Once app appears at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Heading towards the solution, what you have to do is first quit the Messenger app. Open it, then swipe up, again swipe up. Once you first quit the app, again relaunch it and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it and log into your account. For that, press and hold the Messenger app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. And with that, your problem will be fixed. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can fix Facebook Messenger not showing active status. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.